ALDI Mobile is a prepaid MVNO operating on the AT&T network. It enforces a 30-second ring time limit before calls go to voicemail. GSM codes like 61 voicemail number seconds TAC often fail, showing errors like service not available. This is due to ALDI's cost control measures and AT&T protocols. GSM codes cannot extend ring time beyond 30 seconds on ALDI Mobile. GSM codes interact with the SIM card to set call forwarding rules, but ALDI Mobile's firmware overrides attempts to exceed the 30-second limit. These codes work by rewriting forwarding rules on the SIM, but ALDI's firmware prevents going beyond 30 seconds. While direct code adjustments are restricted, some users find limited success with third-party apps like Ring Extend. However, these often require root access, which voids warranties. Another workaround involves do not disturb schedules to simulate longer rings by delaying voicemail through app settings. Keep in mind that these alternatives might not be reliable, and results can vary based on device and app compatibility. The best workaround is to switch phone companies. Check to see if they offer no contract plans as well, if you want the pay-per-month type of plan.